What if the chaos of the stock market is just a bunch of simple circles hiding in plain sight? When we look at stock prices, like the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq, we see jagged, unpredictable lines. It looks like random noise driven by unpredictable human emotions, geopolitical news, and chaotic trading activity. But what if beneath this apparent randomness lies a perfectly ordered symphony of recurring cycles? Today, we dissect the math that proves it, the Fourier transform. This is the ultimate mathematical tool that allows quantitative analysts to find hidden, predictable cycles within the most chaotic economic data. To understand the Fourier transform intuitively, imagine a fruit smoothie. If I give you a perfectly blended smoothie, it is physically impossible to visually separate the strawberries, bananas, and blueberries. The Fourier transform is essentially a mathematical blender operating in reverse. It takes a complex, messy, and tangled signal, like a highly volatile stock chart, and mathematically unmixes it into its pure original ingredients. In the realm of mathematics, these ingredients are perfect, simple sine and cosine waves, each possessing its own unique frequency, amplitude, and phase. This revolutionary idea was not invented for Wall Street. It was discovered by the brilliant French mathematician Jean-Baptiste Joseph Fourier in 1822 while he was studying the propagation of heat in solid metallic plates. Fourier boldly claimed that any continuous periodic function, no matter how complex or jagged, could be represented simply as the infinite sum of basic sine and cosine waves. While his peers, including mathematical giants like Lagrange and Laplace, were highly skeptical at the time, his theorem became one of the most powerful discoveries in human history, eventually powering modern technologies from JPEG image compression to quantum mechanics. How does this apply to the world of economics and finance? Economic data is fundamentally a time series, a sequence of data points recorded chronologically. By applying a Fourier transform, we shift our entire perspective from the time domain to the frequency domain. Instead of asking, what is the price of this asset today, the math asks, how strong is the 30-day cyclical pattern or the 5-year macro cycle? If a stock has a hidden tendency to rise and fall every 3 months due to corporate earnings reports, the Fourier transform will reveal a massive, undeniable spike at the 90-day frequency, piercing right through the daily static noise. For over a century, economists have suspected the existence of overlapping macroeconomic cycles driving human progress. We have the 3 to 5 year kitchen inventory cycle, the 7 to 11 year juggler fixed investment cycle, the 15 to 25 year Kuznets infrastructural cycle, and the massive 45 to 60 year Kondratiev wave, which is driven by generational technological innovation. The Fourier transform allows financial analysts to mathematically overlay these pure theoretical frequencies onto historical GDP and market data to definitively prove which cycles are actively driving the current global economy. The pure engine driving this transformation is Euler's formula, universally described by physicists as the most beautiful equation in mathematics. E to the power of ix equals cosine of x plus I times sine of x. The continuous Fourier transform essentially takes our chaotic economic timeline and elegantly wraps it around a circle in the complex number plane. When the frequency of our wrapping perfectly matches a hidden natural cycle in the market data, the mathematical center of mass shifts dramatically outward, producing a measurable spike in our frequency graph. It is literally an algorithm searching for resonance in human buying and selling behaviors. In the modern digital era, quantitative hedge funds, known as quants, rely heavily on a highly optimized computer algorithm called the fast Fourier transform, or FFT. Invented by Cooley and Tukey in 1965, the FFT algorithm miraculously reduced the computational time of this math from O of n squared to O of n log n. Given that over 70% of U.S. equity trading today is completely algorithmic, the FFT means trading computers can analyze millions of tick-by-tick trades in mere milliseconds, identifying high-frequency cyclical arbitrage opportunities long before a human trader even blinks. But if this mathematics is so flawlessly perfect, why isn't every mathematician a billionaire? This paradox brings us to the efficient market hypothesis and the problem of non-stationarity. Unlike a pure sound wave or a perfectly predictable planetary orbit, financial markets are not perfectly periodic. The cycles mutate and evolve over time.
Furthermore, once a cyclical pattern is discovered and exploited by Wall Street algorithms, the massive influx of capital into that trade destroys the cycle itself. The pure signal is constantly being overwhelmed by stochastic noise, the unpredictable, chaotic black swan events of reality. Yet, despite market efficiency, the Fourier transform remains an absolutely foundational pillar of quantitative finance, used masterfully by secretive funds like Renaissance Technologies. It reminds us that behind the chaotic, anxiety-inducing facade of the daily stock ticker, there is a hidden mathematical rhythm. The global market breathes in profound cycles of fear and greed, expansion and contraction. Mathematics doesn't give us a crystal ball to predict the exact price of an asset tomorrow, but it gives us the most powerful lens ever created to understand the deeper heartbeat of the global economy. References: The Econometrics of Financial Markets by Campbell, Lowe, and McInlay. Fourier Analysis by T.W. Corner.